We're going to be showing you how to change the seals on a 1500 PSI half gallon, 1 gallon, and 2 gallon pump. For starters, with the release tool, you can purchase at miscooling.com. You remove all of the tubing, push in on the tubing, push in on the release tool, pull the tubing out, noting where it came from so you can put it back in the same place. After removing the tubing, remove these 8 screws from the pump head, starting on the outside. Working crisscross so you don't warp the pump head. Starting from the outside and working your way in. After all the bolts are removed, remove the pump head. Wiggling it back and forth.